Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 70 and today I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to open the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it and you need to look for the icon. It looks like this. This is the clocks icon. And basically this provides you with the menu for different clocks, like timers, alarms and stuff like that. So select the clocks icon and then press the start button. And here, as I said before, we have some timers, we have alarms, stopwatch and stuff like that. Let's tap on alarms. And if you don't have any alarm set up yet, you will see this pop up and you can set the time on which the alarm should go off. So we have hours, then minutes, and then AM or PM. And then you can press the start button, confirm, and now we can edit our alarm. And here we can turn on or off the smart wake. What it does, I believe it will try to wake you up 30 minutes before your actual window, basically. And then we have repeat option. You have once, daily, weekday, weekend, and custom. So how often the alarm should repeat. If you select once, it will go off once. If you select daily, it will go off daily. If you select weekdays, it will go only on weekdays. If you select weekend, it will go off only on weekends. And if you select custom, you can pick specific days for it to work on, which is also kind of nice. And then we have sound and vibe. And here you can turn on the sound and vibration for it. And you have also option a vibe quiet start. So first it starts with the vibration and then it increases the volume of the beep. And you can also change the label, I believe. No, we can't. Never mind. Okay, and now we can tap on save button right here and the alarm will be saved. We can turn it on or off. You can also add multiple alarms if you want to. So for example, we can save this one as well. And here we have multiple alarms, so we can turn them off, on, and stuff like that. You can remove the alarms by tapping on one and then scrolling down and tapping on delete. And of course, you can edit the alarm as well to change some settings for it. Okay, and that's about all. Once you're done, you can press the back button. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.